welcome back to the channel. Today we will finally start to work on the Suzuki GSXR 600, and in today's video you will see how to replace the tail light of the bike. So let's start. I'm watching you. Click it's free. So just where is my hand? Just click here, subscribe. In case you missed part 1 of this series, link in the description. We are replacing the tail light because, as you can see here, we have this hole here. The procedure that we are showing will help anyone that is having a Suzuki GSX-R 600, 750, 1000, but nevertheless the procedure is similar for all of them. What we have to do is to remove the entire tail of the bike. So let's start doing it. To start, we have to remove both the seats, passenger and driver seat. So let's remove first the passenger seat, and then to remove the driver seat there are these two screws, one for each side, and you need a 4mm Allen key. After you have untightened a bit the screw, you can pull out and you will get out the screw and also this spacer. You have to take out the spacer, otherwise you cannot take out the seat. Same procedure on both sides. After you have removed the two screws, you can just pull out the seat. As next step, we have to remove all these plastic pins, and to remove them is pretty easy. I hope you can see the detail here. You can see. So with the screwdriver you have just to gently push in, and then as you can see, with one hand it's pretty difficult, but it's very easy to then pull them out. And then to fill them in again, you have just to push it back like that, insert it inside, and it's done. There are one here, one here, one here, and same on the other side. 4, 5, and 6. Next step is to remove these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, as you can see, are a bit different from these others, so you can see the difference. So this one you don't have to push, but gently you have to pull it up, and then same, you can extract them. Pretty easy. Next step, I'm going to remove the glass of these two side indicators. I'm not 100% sure that this is a must, but I prefer to play safe as it's very easy to remove them. So there is just one screw here, and then you can easily remove them. Next step is to remove the cable that is needed to open the passenger seat. To do it, we have to just gently remove this part from here, turn it in that direction. As you can see here, there is the space for remove it, and it's done. So now we can remove all this part. So we can gently pull it out here, turn it, be careful here because there is this small pin, and what we have to do is then to disconnect, just disconnect here the side indicator. We are almost there. As you can see, this part is moving quite freely. So now it's time to remove these 3 screws here. Once we have removed the 3 screws here, there is one more thing to disconnect. That is this white connector, that is the connector of the tail light. So let's unplug this one. I'm sorry, but I need 2 hands to do it, for doing it. For unplugging all the connector, you see there is always a small plastic label that you have to gently push to extract them. So you see, you have this plastic one that is having this tip. So you just push it gently and you will disconnect it. Once we have disconnected this one, hopefully everything is disconnected. So we have finally access to our, you can remove also this part. Be always careful because here there are these small pins to not damage. It's again a 4 millimeter Allen key. So let's just remove one and same here. Let's wipe that. Okay. Once remove the 2 Allen keys here, you can gently strap, and finally the lamp is out. So we can now install or a new one or an aftermarket one. In my case, I'm going to install a genuine but used one that hopefully it works, as I bought it on eBay. So this is the used part. They look exactly the same. I just noticed that this part is missing on the new one, so I'm going to remove it from this one and put it there. It's just connected with some tape, so very easy to replace. And the new one came with a complete harness. So you see, I have dismounted this one, but apparently I could just dismount this one and replace everything. So this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to replace the entire hardware, as here there was some oxide, so just to play safe. Let's connect the new one. So it's connected. The moment of the truth. Let's turn on the ignition. Yes, it works perfectly. It works perfectly. Very good. So now to remount it, we are going to do the same thing, but I would prefer to make also some cleaning. I don't like to leave things so bad looking. So I will put a time lapse for you. So, part 2 or first fix has been done. Now we have a brand new, wonderful working taillight. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe. It's very important to me to let's start this channel to grow a bit. Next time, next part of the Suzuki series, we are going to fix the mirrors. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Take care. Ciao, ciao.